my latest 3D print. Those right there are supports for the part that overhangs, but it's going to be a pumpkin jack-o'-lantern. The big square back there is just filament. Whenever it changes from one color to another, it goes over there and runs a test to make sure all the previous color is out before it puts the new color. The white there and down there are teeth, and I outlined the smile. I didn't do the whole thing all white because then the fangs would have, the teeth would have blended in. So, and that white up there is the eyes. I have 7 hours and 24 minutes left. So we'll see how that goes, y'all. But there's a quick snippet. It's been printing, I don't know, since 4 o'clock or so yesterday. Something like that.